Hello again everyone. Today I'm going to be making pancakes. You don't have to wait till it's pancake day to make pancakes. They're so easy peasy. Let me show you the equipment that I'm going to need. All I'm going to need is my weighing scale, a measuring jug, a bowl with a whisk. Oh, and then I've got to decide, am I going to make baby bear pancakes or mammy bear pancakes? I know I haven't got a round one of those. Or maybe daddy bear pancakes. I think I'll make daddy bear pancakes. So now let me show you the ingredients. And for the ingredients, all you'll need is some milk. I use semi-skimmed milk, some plain flour, some sunflower oil. Mine's in a special squirty bottle so it's easy to spray in the pan, and 2 eggs.
Are you going to show them your trick?
Oh, hello Molly. What trick?
Your egg juggling.
Oh, do you want to see it?
Yes.
Now don't do this at home. I'm going to measure out 100 grams of plain flour and then 300 millilitres of milk. You can even get your eggs ready by breaking them into a little bowl. Make sure there's no eggshell in there. Now we just need to mix them all together. Start with your flour. Make a little gap in the middle to pour in your eggs. Also a little bit of your milk, and get whisking. You also need to put in a little bit of your sunflower oil. Keep mixing. And as it starts to thicken, you can put in the rest of your milk. Make sure you get any lumpy bits at the bottom all mixed in and nice and smooth. And also, you can put in the tiniest bit of salt. Oh, now, while I get the next bit ready, I think I'm going to ask Molly for some help. Molly, can you make sure this is mixed properly while I get the pan ready?
Okay.
Thank you, Molly.
That's okay.
I'll put the batter down there. Oh, it's time to turn the heat on now. Remember, you need a grown-up to help you with that bit. And then I'm going to spray on some of my sunflower oil. The oil needs to get very hot. So again, you need a grown-up to help you with this bit. I'm going to get some of my pancake mixture with my ladle and quickly put it in the pan. Maybe a little bit more. Spin the pan round so all the mixture goes into a nice circle shape. And get ready with your spatula. I can see there are some bubbles underneath. I think it's going to start to loosen up soon. Yeah, it's loose. Look. Quickly turn it over. I might use my spatula to help me this time.
Are they ready yet?
No, Molly, not yet.
Oh.
If I turn it back over again, I can see this one's done. So I'm going to put it on my plate full of pancakes and make another one. Do you think I should try tossing one of them up into the air? I've just got enough mixture left for one last pancake. If it looks too brown, turn the heat down.
Are they ready now?
Yes, Molly.
But what about all the fillings?
Oh, I forgot to tell them about the fillings. At last, my pancakes are ready. Now, we need to decide what to put inside them. Different people like different things. I could use maple syrup or mashed banana. You might have some chocolate spread. Or what about peanut butter? Or maybe some fresh, delicious fruit. What are you going to put inside your pancakes? Molly,
Yes?
could you mash up this banana for me?
Oh, okay. There you go.
I think I'm going to have a little bit of mashed banana, a tiny bit of sugar, and some lemon juice. And then I'm going to roll it up into a parcel. And in this one, I'm going to put some fresh fruit, some melon, and some pineapple. Roll it up. And last of all, I'm going to drizzle them with a little bit of maple syrup.
Are they ready yet?
Oh, I forgot about Molly. Yes, they're ready, Molly. Would you like to try some?
Oh, yes, please.
I hope you enjoy your pancakes.